Good day, viewers. Today is December 22nd, 2024, and we're here to bring you the latest updates from the automotive world. Let's get started. Suzuki has announced the discontinuation of its popular Swift Sport model. To bid farewell, they've unveiled a final edition exclusive to Japan, featuring black wheels, red brake calipers, and unique interior gradients. Production is set to cease in November 2025 as Suzuki shifts focus towards electric vehicles. The Sun. Chinese electric vehicle maker Nio has introduced a new lower-cost brand named Firefly, aiming to compete with BMW's Mini and Mercedes Smart. The Firefly cars will be available for pre-sales starting at approximately $20,394, featuring a tight turning radius and autonomous parking technology. An official launch is expected in April. Reuters. In a significant development, Honda is contemplating a return to UK manufacturing by partnering with Nissan. The potential collaboration would involve producing vehicles at Nissan's Sunderland plant, aiming to revitalize the declining British car industry and compete with leading automakers like Tesla. The Times. The fully electric Volvo EX30 has been garnering significant attention, recently being named the 2024 World Urban Car by the World Car Awards. This compact SUV has also received accolades such as CarWow's Car of the Year 2024 and Electrifying.com's Car of the Year 2024, highlighting its impact in the electric vehicle market. Wikipedia. That's all for today's automotive news updates. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily briefings. Stay informed and drive safe.